Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeLand, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, we want to show you how to inline edit the billing shipping address by changing the values in these columns. So first, directly in the billing shipping address 1, 2. And then second, editing those addresses in all billing, all shipping form. If you want to edit the billing shipping address in our plugin, at first you need to add those columns to the order table by following these steps. So first, click on the column profile, which is at the main page, and then you'll see the column profile form. In this form, mark billing and shipping address 1 and 2. So we're gonna mark that. Or all billing, all shipping under billing shipping, and then click on apply to table. And there it is. So how do we inline edit billing shipping address 1 and 2? You may need to type a long text for billing shipping address 1 or 2. Therefore, you have access to a text box by clicking on the show address button under those columns. It's also important to note that by inline editing, you can just edit the value of one order at the same time. However, if you want to change the multi-order values directly from the table, we recommend you use the bind edit option. Let's try to inline edit billing address 1 for order number 465. So we're gonna search 465 in the quick search. Then we're gonna click on show address under billing address 1 column. And once we do that, it's all done. When you see the pop-up, start typing your text, then click on save button. Now, let's see how we can inline edit a billing shipping address in the all billing, all shipping form. The steps you have to go through here for editing billing shipping address in the all billing, all shipping form is the same as the previous example, except here you need to click on all billing, all shipping in the order table to see the related form. For example, we'll just click on all shipping of order number 465, and then we see this form. As you can see, all of the fields about the address of that order are here, including country, city, state, address 1, and address 2. So you can easily type a new address or choose a new country from the list to inline edit the shipping address of that order. And if you need to inline edit the billing address, you can just go ahead and click all billing in the table.